How to see sent emails in SendGrid. So first is of course log into your SendGrid account, and on the left navigation menu, click on activity right here. Once you've clicked on that, it will bring you right here. So the activity feed allows you to precisely locate the emails you're looking for. So you have a search bar right here where you can directly search for a specific recipient's email address. And we also have the filter by date where you can use to narrow down the time frame, and on default is usually the last 7 days. So as you can see right there, and if you click on the advanced search, you can add the filter that you want right there. So it can be an API key name, categories, dates, events from email, message ID, and a ton of other stuff. As you can see, you can even have the transactional template ID, the unsubscribe group, teammate subject status, requesting and sending IP addresses, and a bunch of other stuff. And as you can see right there, you can retrieve information about every email you've sent in the past 3 days by clicking on search, and up to 30 days of history is available for purchase. So if you want to see everything, just simply click on the show all activity right here, where it will show everything. But for me, I haven't sent anything yet. That's why my activity feed is empty. But that is how you basically see your sent emails in SendGrid.